Hi, I'm Toby Stoll, the leading plumber for plumbing maintenance services. We're here today at the Liberty service station in Stewart Park. We've just completed all the major plumbing works on this site, including trade waste, sewer and the civil stormwater. So the project's run for about 12 months and we've been able to work with lots of different trades. The principal builder, JTEX Construction, Nor Group, electricians, Northern Trade Solutions and North Star Concreters are some of the trades we work closely with on this project. A part of the hydraulic package for this site was the GYG building. The GYG building, we've installed trade waste, sewer and the gas.